Alright, let's get straight to it. Is Emma and John London a total scam, or is there something legit behind all this hype? I've been diving into real customer stories, and honestly, the red flags are hard to miss. The site sells itself as a fancy London boutique, but when people actually receive their orders, if they ever show up, they're usually hit with super low-quality stuff. Think scratchy fabrics, weird smells, colors that look nothing like the glossy photos, and sometimes, items are just flat-out different from what was ordered. And here's the kicker. Customer service is pretty much a ghost town. You send an email, you wait, you hope, nothing. No phone number, no live chat, just silence. Now, let's talk about returns. People on Trustpilot and Reddit say it's almost impossible. You try to send something back? Good luck. Most customers never get a return authorization, and even if they ship the stuff back, refunds rarely happen. Communication just stops. And don't even get me started on shipping. That London boutique vibe? Yeah, most deliveries actually crawl in from China, taking 3 or 4 weeks, sometimes longer. A few eagle-eyed shoppers even spotted that some of the site's photos are likely stolen from real designers, while the About Us page is full of cheesy AI-generated stories. You know those liquidation or moving sale scams you see on Facebook? Super similar vibe here. So what's the bottom line? Most real customers say Emma and John London is highly questionable. Some even call it an outright scam. If you've already ordered and things are going sideways, don't wait for them to reply. Contact your bank or credit card provider ASAP to start a chargeback. Before you buy from any site, always check reviews, search for red flags, and, honestly, if it looks too good to be true, it probably is. Stay safe out there.